Don't say Somalian, because if you say Somalian 3 times, then something bad happens.
Listen, I know Somalians, bruv.
I know, but
I'm cool with Somalians. What's gonna happen?
Yeah, I know, but don't say
Somalians!
No, don't.
Somalians!
No, don't say that because...
Somalians! There you go. Nothing happened. Let me Daniel Sturridge them. Somalia. Hey, stop playing with me, cuz. Stop playing with me, cuz. Oh my goodness me.
Lovely figure. I love Somalia.
Man's here now, what are you saying?
I'm saying you're bare tall, bro.
Now you are, blood.
Are you touching my willy, bro? We love Somalians. You know what? Yeah.
Should I tell
I'm
you
going
what?
to Somalia for my honeymoon. I'm not even married.
Fam, should I tell you what
Yeah.
it is? Yeah, like I like so much Somalian stuff. Like I mean, you don't have a football team.
No.
I like the Hey, stop.
Yeah.
I like
I'm gonna have a baby and call it Somalian. No name, just